Okay, so the next one is about 3 people pulling on a tire. Okay, we have F1, which is 60 newtons, F2, which is 80 newtons, and we don't know what F3 is, and we also don't know the angle for F3. Okay, so again, when you don't know the angle or the resultant, you have to think you're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So you have to find x and y. So we have the sum of the forces in the x direction equals 0 because they're asking what force do they have to pull so that it doesn't move, and the sum of the forces in the y direction equals 0. So in the x direction, you have negative F1 plus F3 in the x direction. So F3 in the x direction is just going to be equal to F1, so 60 newtons. And in the y direction, you have F3 in the y minus F2 equals 0. So F3 in the y direction is going to be equal to F2, which is 80 newtons. So now,
Caitlin Hawkins, Nick Peterson, Allison Simpkins, Bailey Lynch, please report to the main office.
you
Caitlin
know
Hawkins, Nick Peterson, Allison Simpkins, Bailey Lynch to the main office, please.
you know the sides of this triangle, and all you have to do is find the resultant using Pythagorean theorem. And then you can find the angle using tangent. And when you do that, make sure you use inverse tan to solve for angle theta. You get 53 degrees.